Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing? I hope this Monday you guys are doing well. I look pretty. I feel pretty. It's cold. It's raining. I have a terrible headache. Nenyongo. Kunzima nje. Kunzima. Kuyembula. Kunzima. But here I am. I thought let me do this video quickly before 10 o'clock and then we're going to go do a live. Guys, let's talk about the saga that happened on Friday. There was a hoo-ha, a misunderstanding. No, was it a misunderstanding? No, it wasn't. There was drama inside the court of Judge Rata. Ne? Let's talk about it. Let's break it down. But before that, guys, please make sure that you do not forget that you do know social media spaces you need to engage. Please do engage. That way, we will be helping the channel to grow when we are engaging on this space. So please make sure that you are engaging by all means necessary. I beg. I beg for engagement. That way you are helping me. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and watch the videos up until the end. And Ed, I'm a super thanks, Cleo Dawa. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Now, let's talk about what happened in court. So one of the things that we need to remember, one thing that I think we are all forgetting, Nancy, where's this thing? Nancy. Remember? This was Mnube's phone back then. This was Mnube's phone back then. Please look at it and look at it very nicely. Yayingenayo, a front camera. So there is no way that it took a selfie. Let's start there. Nancy. There was no front camera, so Mabasa is lying, misleading the court. No front camera. He must stop lying. There is no front camera. They said the Samsung is GT220, right? So there it is. It did not have a front camera. That's not true. Let's start there. Secondly, in an iPhone, in a split of a second, so which is, I believe, I could be wrong, if Sibanda is using an iPhone, especially about 13, 14, 15, 16, so, or 14, 15, 16, so, Usibanda could have done what Mrs. says he said he did. Of it's either he rotated or flipped the picture. It happens. It happens with iPhone. You can do that. Very fast, in a split of a second, you can do that. So chances are he actually did that. However, if that phone, the Mabasa phone is a Samsung, if it was sent from Samsung to another Samsung, it would need, but in an iPhone, it's a split-second situation. It would need you to go to settings and stuff. Here is another thing that I want to share with you. The bottom line, though, is that when it comes to this situation, we can't be talking about a selfie. There was never a selfie in that phone to begin with. He needs to start there, stop it right there. There was no selfie in that phone. So there are so many people that sent me telling me telling me the clarification. So a selfie, like if you don't understand the types of phones and stuff, it can really be complicated for anyone. But when it comes to ABBA, we are quick to do editing. The moment you flip, you are editing. So when Mnisi says he edited, if he flipped, he edited, that's fidgeting. Mnisi is not wrong for putting it out there. Then if he clicked anything in that photo, then that's fidgeting. That's what this Sibanda could have done. So if a selfie picture is a reflection of me, I'm taking it like this, and I can, yeah, Bob? In fact, let's do it. Let's do it first. Pictures. Yeah, Bob, I'm taking a selfie. So it. I'm taking a selfie right here, right now for you guys. There's my selfie. Look at it. Yeah, Bob? This is an iPhone selfie, ne? Now, we are going to the selfie, ne? There it is. Yabo? Filters, that's, you can do whatever. There are the things, you can do them there. Fast and furious. I don't have time for that. I'm busy. So it doesn't take long. It doesn't. It can happen, especially to the new phones, Abo 14, 15, 16. It can happen there. It can. Very possible. Very, very possible. It can happen there. It can happen, guys. I'm not saying anything, but I'm just saying, let's be careful. So, someone else sent me something in this other phone. Let me see. They said something about the. I hope these things will. Okay. Let me send it to this phone so that it becomes clear. 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 To my second number. Okay. There. Now, let's look at this. See this? It's clear, Bafito. You see this? I don't know if, is it clear enough? I'm not sure. But it's showing touch, voice, palm, phone storage, SD card, time watermark, model watermark, more refined or more mirrored selfie, sound, geographic locations, gender detection, and then there at the bottom, it's also, I don't know if it's clear enough for you to see. I'm really not sure. But there. So those are the things that are happening in that courtroom of Judge Ratta. This whole selfie appearance depends on camera settings. Look at how the difference here. I have mirrored selfie on, which appears in yellow, and mirrored selfie off, which appears in white. So Mabasa or Sibanda change settings to mirror selfie. That's someone that sent me. So Mabasa must not state it as a fact that when you take a selfie, it mirrors your image, depending on a camera settings. So that's someone that sent that to me. But now, that's not the point. Do you know what the point? Nobody's phone had no selfie. Said they had no front camera. So settings or no settings, he is lying about the front camera. Did I show you? Did I show you his phone? Did I show you his phone? Because Lana Bajalagat. In case you forgot, look at this. There is no front camera on this phone. So we can't be told or be fed into Yobanagaba. There is a front camera. So if fidgeting happened there, chances are very high that it did. Because why they were all of them seeing right, chiki, all of a sudden now it's no longer there. Anyway, we will hear today what happens. How is Mnisi going to tackle this? But I hope he will use Ramsipile to do the entire situation. And that picture must be sent to another phone, not Sibanda's iPhone. It must be sent to a Samsung phone or any other phone, but not an iPhone. And then they look at the screen, what they see. But also, sorry, you must remember Judge Ratta might not agree this time. Judge Ratta might not agree this time. But the accused saw something. If you saw Mube, the way he was not impressed, you could swear that there is something that they saw there. They saw something about Mube. while they were sitting there because they are behind of Abu Sibanda. So there is something that they saw, Abu Mncube. And remember that Umnisi, while he was standing behind Abu Sibanda, allegedly the system was not working. All of a sudden, it was not working. And I didn't understand not working how. When this happens, it does not need any data connection or what. Maybe it's me. Because pictures, you can take them and then do whatever. There's no need of data. Is there? I don't think so. No, there isn't. You can always use your phone without having it that it will take pictures and you can fiddle around them. Anyway, that's my 2 cents opinion on the matter, but I'm looking forward to hear and to see what's going to happen in the courtroom today. Is Mnisi coming back saying, okay, you know what? I'm so sorry for saying such words about Sibanda, but I doubt it very much because Sibanda's silence was too loud. The silence was too loud because if you did not do anything wrong, you could have said, no, don't you dare. Right there, respectfully so, say, no, don't you dare. What are you insinuating now? He kept, Usibanda. Said nothing. So, Nayeke, he is scaring the hell out of us with that silence. Now, let's talk with comment section. I want to hear your views. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Be blessed on this Monday. I'll see you when it's the live just now, 5 to 10. And then we'll do another live when they are on tea. And then after that, when they are on break. Bye.